and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one. I'm going to do my clean with me but vlog style so that I talk to you guys before I do anything versus doing a voiceover. So I thought that might be fun. And I've seen it a lot lately, so I thought I might give it a try and see if I like this style better versus the voiceover, and if you guys like it better, I don't know. But today has been quite a busy day. We actually just got done with getting an oil change as well as getting my gas tank filled up. So that's all done with the car, and now I have about 2.5 hours before I have to go pick up Jacob and Maddie. By we, I meant me and my mom. I didn't want to go by myself just in case they like try to upsell me. So I just like to have her with me because she knows more about cars than I do, and Jacob had to work, so whatever. But yeah, so that's basically what happened today. But I do have to work soon, so I want to get this house picked up a little bit before I leave so that Jacob and Maddie come back to a nice clean home and I don't have to do as much tonight when I get home from work at 10:30. So praying that everything goes well in this clean with me. But the first room we're starting in is the bedroom. I am not doing any laundry in this video because our washing machine is kind of leaking. So I'm going to stop using the washing machine for a while and just start washing my clothes at my mom's house, which is going to be a pain in the ass to like drive them all the way there. But until we get Maddie's room, the walls painted, that's what we're going to have to do. Because if you guys didn't know, about 4 or 5 months ago when we first moved in, well, we didn't move in 4 or 5 months ago, but a couple months after we moved in, Maddie decided to draw all over the walls, and yeah, it's just a mess in there now. She knows better now. She had to learn that lesson. All kids do it. I did it when I was a kid, so it's whatever. But yeah, so we just have to paint that before we decide to have anyone come over. Yeah, so let's just get this room cleaned up. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I'll just preference this, is I'm going to make my bed, and then I'm going to start on working with the floors, and that will be like the main event of this room, just because nothing's really too like dirty. It's just really like trash that needs to be picked up and like that kind of stuff. But it's all stuff that can be done simply, so that's what's gonna happen. Okay guys, so I am back. I just finished all of this bedroom. It only took me like 13 minutes. It really wasn't long. I didn't have too much to do. I just wanted to pick some of the stuff up. The only thing that really looks messy in this room now is the wires, and I hate them. I hate looking at them, but as long as we're in an apartment, it's something we're going to have to deal with. Jacob has a lot of wires just from his little gaming setup. There's like 10 or 12 wires just from his, no, I'm over exaggerating. It's probably like 5. But yeah, and then I have my 2 silhouettes, and those have a lot of wires. And then just everything, I also have a printer in here. it's just gonna stay a mess. So that's why the desk area, even if I clean it, it still looks kind of messy. So that's whatever. But overall, I'm happy with how the room turned out. I just really wanted to make my bed and get all the clothes picked up because there were a little bit of clothes. The bathroom we already cleaned like 2 days ago, so I'm not going to do anything in there. We kept it relatively clean. It's just probably surface cleaning that I have to do. But now that I'm done with this room, we're going to tackle the living room, which isn't bad. I just really want to clean those surfaces just because we just got a new TV stand. I want to keep it all nice and pretty. And I did clean that room probably 2 days ago, and we've kept it in pretty good shape. I really want to keep that going because there have been times when that room just turns into a disaster. That's my plan. We're going to head off to the living room. It's really just picking up blankets and just tidying up the couch area and then sweeping. I don't think I'm going to mop today. I actually might mop, or I might save it till tomorrow. I'm not sure. So just to give you an overview of the area, that's basically what our couch is looking like currently. And then our entertainment center does have some paperwork and stuff that needs to go places and everything like that. Like I told you guys, we did get an oil change. So it's there. And then there's some like Nintendo Switch game on there, and just I want to clean the surface of it and all of that. But overall, it's not too messy. There's nothing on the floor or anything. Just little crap. And then there's a sock and a stuffed animal from Maddie, so I want to get those picked up. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so now it is finally complete. I did wipe off my ottoman because it was looking a little dirty. But I've noticed that like paint falls from the ceiling. And it happens over on the stove. You see like little white chips, and it happens on my microwave. So I think it's just like the paint kind of falling or chipping off, and then it like sticks to the surface that it falls on. So those are just going to be permanently on there, I guess, because wiping it off doesn't do anything. And then I just swept the floors. I'm not going to mop. And I think this is going to be it for this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little bit quick. I did my bedroom and the living room. The living room I did more of a clean, whereas the bedroom I just picked everything up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and definitely stay tuned for 2019. Big year for this channel. I am going to get videos up once or twice a week. That's my goal. So there will be a lot more cleaning motivation, as well as budgeting videos and all of that fun stuff. I do have a budgeting video that's going to go up very soon. I don't know if it's going up before or after this. We'll see. But I filmed that yesterday, so we'll see which one's easier to edit. I have a feeling this one's going to be. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later. Also, I do have a living room tour coming up for you guys, so that'll be exciting. I might actually film that now while I can, while it's clean. I don't know. But regardless, I will see you later. Bye, everyone.